have physiotherapist Jason Smith with us today to talk about clinical Pilates with Back in Motion. Hi Jason.
Hi Marianne.
Now tell me, what's the difference between clinical Pilates and regular Pilates?
So clinical Pilates is a specialised form of the traditional method of Pilates, and it's used by physiotherapists specifically to manage injuries or reduce pain.
Okay.
So it's quite different to what you'll see in a health club or in a gymnasium where there'd be a lot of participants in a big class.
Yes.
We have a very individual approach, so we monitor the posture and we design exercise routines that are safe. You can see David here is very technique driven, so he gives lots of feedback to Emma. We also use different equipment, so we've got a reformer, we use trapeze, sometimes springboards, which is quite different to the mat classes and the inflated balls.
Right.
There's a number of different formats too, so you can have individual sessions.
Like one-on-one?
One-on-one. You could have what we call semi-private, which is up to 4 people, or classes, which is 8 people maximum. Keeps the attention really focused on the individual.
Sounds terrific, very tailored. Do you still get all the benefits of regular Pilates, like the strengthening and lengthening of the muscles and the flexibility? Does that still all happen?
Yeah, sure. In fact, arguably you're going to get a lot better result because the routines are tailored and they're taking into account Emma's posture and Emma's current and past injuries.
Excellent.
Then we're going to get much better results.
And who would be suitable for clinical Pilates?
Well, really all ages, but because it's a strengthening of the core abdominals, lower back and pelvic floor, we get great results with pre and postnatal women.
Of course.
Certainly people who have suffered low back pain or pain across the shoulders and thoracic region, even hip, knee and foot ankle injuries can in fact be managed quite well.
So athletes would benefit as well?
Athletes, they love it for the core strengthening and the conditioning.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, well, how do you get your free assessment that you told me about and Back in Motion?
Okay, so viewers can visit any of our 50 locations around Australia and have a free Pilates assessment. That means you pay nothing to see an expert physio and have your pain assessed and a routine designed.
Okay.
And not only that, our treatments are backed by an exclusive guarantee. So if you're not absolutely thrilled with the experience, we'll refund your money and give you a complimentary session to get the result.
Excellent. And I understand you have even something further for our Circle viewers today. What's that?
Sure. So viewers who call today and mention the Circle, they'll not only get the free initial Pilates assessment valued at $72, they'll also get 2 one-on-one individual Pilates sessions with a Back in Motion physio.
Excellent.
All of that for $59, normally valued at $212, but today $59.
Well, wonderful. What do our viewers have to do to redeem that offer?
So they need to call 1300 My Health, that's 1300 694 325, or go online at backinmotion.com.au to find their nearest location.
Excellent. Well, thank you all very much for coming in. Thanks, Jason, for Back in Motion.